Sir, hi sir. Sir, ilan na po yung total number of government agencies under the executive department at least who have agreed to share their data with you for the DICT to help them open these kinds of websites?
So far, yung nag-agree marami. Lahat naman ng kausapin ko, agree sila. Pero yung nagbigay pa lang, yung talagang nakakuha na kami ng information, si PhilHealth, and si SSS, and pasasalamat kami, tawag ko sa kanila the pioneer ones and syempre si DPWH, di ba? Pero ang kagandahan nito, si GCG naman nakipag-ugnayan na po sa amin, and GCG and DICT is drafting a joint department order or memorandum order that will require all the GOCCs, all yan kasama ang Pag-ibig, yung mga bangko na GOCC, kasama yung NAPOCOR, Transco, to provide information to the ICT na, and before end of the year. Ayun, wag niyo muna ako i-quote, medyo ambitious kasi yung end of the year ang aspiration po natin, di pa lumalabas sa DO, na sana before end of the year, lahat ng GOCCs may transparency portal na gaya po ng PhilHealth at gaya po ng SSS.